Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm John, and today we're diving into something super exciting: AI tools for beginners. If you've ever wondered how artificial intelligence can make your life easier, save you time, or even spark some creativity, you're in the right place. We'll explore 5 beginner-friendly AI tools, what they do, and how you can start using them today. No tech degree required. Stick around till the end for a bonus tip that'll blow your mind. Hit that like button if you're ready, and let's jump in. Okay, first things first, what is AI? Artificial intelligence, or AI, is when computers or machines are designed to think and act a bit like humans. It's about teaching them to do smart things, like learning from experience, solving problems, understanding language, or recognizing pictures without needing a person to tell them every step. What are AI tools? AI tools are software or programs that use artificial intelligence to help people do tasks more easily or efficiently. Imagine them as smart assistants that can learn, think, and make decisions on their own to solve problems or finish jobs. For example, an AI tool might write text for you, like a story or an email, answer questions by finding information fast, create pictures or designs based on what you say, or help analyze data, like spotting trends in numbers or words. They're designed to work a bit like a human brain, but they're quicker and don't get tired. In short, AI tools are like super helpful computer buddies. Think of them as smart helpers powered by artificial intelligence. They can write text, create images, analyze data, or even chat with you, all by learning patterns and doing tasks faster than we could on our own. The best part, you don't need to be a coder to use them. These tools are designed for regular people like you and me. Today, I've picked 5 that are free or super affordable, and I'll show you how they work. Ready? Let's start with the first one. First up is ChatGPT, created by OpenAI, or Grok, created by xAI. This is like having a super smart friend who can write anything for you. Need a blog post idea? A quick email? Maybe a poem for your crush? ChatGPT's or Grok's got you covered. It's free to use at chatopenai.com or x.com igrok. Just sign up, type a question or task, and watch it go. For example, I typed, "Write a 50-word story about a lost dog." Grok returned the following: Max, a scruffy terrier, vanished during a thunderstorm. His owner, Lily, scoured the neighborhood, calling his name through tears. Days later, a muddy paw scratched the door. Max bounded in, tail wagging, carrying a soggy note. Found him by the creek. "He's a fighter." Lily hugged him tight. See? Instant creativity. You can tweak it, ask for more, or even use it to brainstorm. It's perfect for students, writers, or anyone stuck on ideas. Give it a try. Let me know in the comments what you ask it. Next, let's talk visuals with Canva's Magic Design. Canva's already awesome for free graphic design, but their AI feature takes it up a notch. Say you need a poster or social media graphic, but have zero design skills. Magic Design does it for you. Go to canva.com, click Create a Design, and type something like birthday poster. Hit enter, and you'll see a drop down. Choose the birthday poster option. Wait a sec for the templates to load. They're super quick to pop up. Scroll through the list and pick a birthday template that catches your eye. I've gone with one where I can add a photo. Makes it personal, right? If you've got a photo handy, click Uploads on the left. Upload it from your device, then drag it onto the template. It snaps into place like magic. Now, tweak the wording. Maybe change "Happy Birthday" to "Pete's Big Day," or whatever vibe you're going for. Update the number too, like 10th birthday to 2nd. Just click the text and it's editable in seconds. After that, play around if you want. Adjust the colors by clicking any element and picking from the color wheel, or swap fonts to match your style. The hard part's already handled by the template, so you're just polishing it up. It's all free with a basic account. No hidden costs or nonsense. Honestly, it's a game changer for beginners in marketing, teaching, or even if you're just whipping up cute invites for fun. You can download it as a PDF or PNG when you're done. Takes 2 clicks. Give it a shot. You'll be surprised how pro it looks with zero effort. Tool number 3 is Grammarly, your personal writing coach. If you've ever worried about typos or awkward sentences, this AI is here to help. It's free at grammarly.com and it works in your browser or as an app. Go to grammarly.com, paste your text, and it flags spelling, grammar, even tone issues. For example, type, I write an email fast, highlight the text, choose Rewrite with Grammarly, choose on your right hand, choose Improve it. Grammarly corrects to, I wrote an email quickly. If you want to make it more engaging, click on Make it engaging. Grammarly corrects to, I dashed off an email in no time. It's like having an editor whispering in your ear. I use it for emails, essays, even video scripts like this one. The free version's great, but the premium catches deeper stuff. Perfect for students, job hunters, or anyone who writes. Trust me, it'll save you some embarrassment. Now, let's get creative with DALL-E Mini, or Crayon as it's called now. This AI turns words into pictures and it's wild. It's free at crayon.com. Type something like cat in a spacesuit, some goofy, some cool. Hit enter and it generates images, waiting for the drawing button to turn full orange when it generates the images for you. It takes a minute. Look at the images that it created. It's not perfect, but that's the fun. Think of it as an art experiment. You can screenshot the best ones for free. Use it for fun, inspiration, or even weird social media posts. Beginners love it because it's simple and sparks ideas. What would you make it draw? Drop it in the comments. Last but not least, Google Gemini. Think of it as a chatty research assistant. It's free at gemini.google.com and it's Google's answer to ChatGPT or Grok. Ask it anything, like, what's the easiest way to start a garden? The following results is returned like choosing easy plants like herbs, starting small like a container garden, good soil like potting mix, sunny spot and regular watering. It pulls info fast and summarizes it for you. Great for homework, DIY projects, or just satisfying curiosity. It's still new, so it's not perfect, but it's a solid free tool for beginners. Pair it with the others we've covered, and you're unstoppable. Before we go, here's your bonus tip. Mix these tools together. Use ChatGPT to write, Canva to design, Grammarly to polish, Crayon for art, and Gemini to research. You'll be an AI pro in no time. What did you think of these tools? Which one's your favorite? Let me know below. And if you like this, hit that like button and subscribe. We're diving deeper into tech every week. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.